tumbled leather. What's going on with y'all? Today we have a really nice shoe in front of us. Today we have the Jordan 4 Thunders. Now this shoe right here, there's two Thunder colorways that I wanted, and it was the Jordan 14s and it was this shoe. This shoe is so fire, and I had to get it from my guy, and I had to show you guys this shoe. It's just, I'm so glad it's coming back out. I'm just so happy about this, all right? So I'm gonna jump right into this video. Before I get into breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Make sure you guys do that in this channel. It really helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate the growth that I see. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. I have a lot of good shoes on there and a lot of stuff that you may not have seen, so go ahead and check that out, all right? And lastly, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Go in there, parlay with us, have conversations with us. Yes, I do videos and reviews of all types of different shoes. However, if you want to know where I get certain shoes from, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The link is in the description. Come on and have a conversation with us. We would love it. So, Jordan 4 Thunder. I'm so excited. I'm glad I got this shoe. This is one of the few yellow sneakers that just looks good. It's hard to find sneakers that are yellow that just have this type of color scheme that looks great to wear, okay? I know we had the lightnings and all of that other stuff with the gray and all of that, but that shoe was primarily yellow, and I just wasn't feeling as much of that shoe as I'm feeling this one. This is the granddaddy, Mac daddy, cat daddy of all the shoes, all right? So just like the Red Thunder, we have a primarily black shoe with the same type of nubuck and the same type of suede on the upper, and where all of the red is, it's just yellow. So I'm not gonna break down the shoe too crazy. I'm just going to show you there's yellow on the eyelets, on the waffles, there's yellow underneath the mesh, and there's yellow on the midsole. Everything else is black, and there's hints of white, okay? That's it. So in terms of the toe box, very nice toe box shape, nice curvature there. We do have some nice nubuck here, very nice. I think you guys can see a little bit of that transition. So not bad at all. We do have good materials on this one. I love it. We do have our yellow in our places they're supposed to be. The paint job is very nice. I don't see any lead lines. I don't see anything like that. Very good. We got our bubble right there. Our air unit looks good right there. Not bad. We don't have any extra sets of laces with these, but we do have the black laces going up. And then we have our flight tag with our Jumpman. He looks great. Not bad at all. Heel of the shoe, we have our Jumpman right there, and that looks good. It's all lined up well. So very nice. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. And you got a nice chunk of that banana flavored colored yellow right there. So not bad. Outsole of the shoe is one of my favorite parts. It's all black, got the white Jumpman with this nice patch of yellow. So very nice right there. On the other side of the tongue, we do have our Air Jordan. We have a standard shoe tree with these joints. And the insole of the shoe is all black with a white Jumpman. Not bad, and it is a Dream Cell insole, so it's going to give you a little bit more comfort than the standard insole that comes in all the old Jordan 1s and Jordan 4s and all of that other stuff, all right? So, not bad. I wanted to show you guys these joints because I'm just excited. I'm glad the shoe's coming back out. It looks great in its updated glory, okay? So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a 10. I love the colorway. I just love it. I'm giving it a 10. If I had to rate it for construction and materials, very nice materials, Nothing crazy that I saw that was bad. I'll give it a 9 for materials because I really like that suede. It's nice Nubuck suede on there. So very, very nice. All right. So these ones come out this month or next month. I'm not sure. I'll put the release date on the bottom of the screen so you guys can see it. I hope everybody gets a chance to get this shoe. Okay. Because this shoe is going to go fast, and I hope they put enough pairs out for everybody to get a pair. That's just my one wish to Nike. All right. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope it was informative for you. Hope it helps you make a decision. Please go and grab this pair before they're gone, because you're going to be like me and wishing that they release it again. Okay? So that's all I got. Y'all stay humble and y'all stay blessed, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.